Struggling to find where to enable Agentforce in Salesforce? Stop digging through menus. I will show you the exact clicks to get it turned on in under 5 minutes. We will start from the homepage, access Setup, search for Agentforce, and toggle it on. Follow along step by step. All right, we are starting from the Salesforce homepage. This is the standard Lightning experience view. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a small gear icon. That is your quick settings menu. Go ahead and click that. So immediately after you click that gear icon, a drop-down menu appears. At the very bottom of that list, you will see an option that says Open Advanced Setup. That is exactly what we need. Click on that to access the full setup area. Now we are inside the Salesforce setup menu. This is where all the heavy lifting happens. At the very top of this page, there is a search bar. It is usually the first thing on the left. Go ahead and click inside that search bar and type the word Agentforce. Just type it in one word, Agentforce. As you start typing, the search results will populate instantly. You are looking for a specific option here. Click on the result that says Setup with Agentforce. It should be the first one listed under the Quick Find results. Select that. And here is the really important part. This screen is the main Agentforce setup page. It might take a second to load up all the options, so just give it a moment. Now, scroll down the page a little bit until you see a section labeled Agent Availability. You'll find a toggle switch there. Just click it to turn it on. And just like that, Agentforce is enabled in your org. So you have gone from not being able to find the feature to having it fully activated in just a few minutes. Now you are ready to start automating tasks and building your first agent. Go ahead and give it a try. I have tested this flow myself, and it really is that straightforward once you know where to look. Thanks for following along.